Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Glean AI. Glean AI is an intelligent spend management platform designed to help finance teams make smart decisions by using AI to analyze vendor expenses, invoices, and contracts. Instead of manually tracking and managing payments or supplier relationships, Glean AI automates this process and gives you deep insight into where your money is going. To get Glean AI, go to the official Glean AI website. Once there, you can click on Request a Demo or Start for free if available. After filling out your company name, work email, and role, their team may contact you for onboarding or to walk through how the system works. Glean AI connects with popular accounting tools like QuickBooks, Xero, and NetSuite, so you can automatically sync your financial data. Once connected, the platform analyzes your vendor activity, flags unusual spending patterns, and helps you better plan with budget forecast. It's especially useful for businesses looking to reduce overspending and get full visibility into recurring vendors' costs without manually digging through spreadsheets or bank statements. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.